Your mindset is the operating system of your life. If it's wired for fear, self-doubt, or negativity, your results will reflect that. But if you rewire your brain for success, everything changes. The way you think, the way you act, and ultimately, the life you create. Neuroscience has proven that your brain is malleable. It can be reprogrammed, just like software. The thoughts you repeatedly focus on create neural pathways, shaping your beliefs and habits. The good news? You can rewire those pathways to develop a powerful, success-driven mindset. First, eliminate the limiting beliefs that hold you back. I'm not smart enough. I don't have the talent. Success isn't for me. These are just mental roadblocks, not reality. Replace them with empowering thoughts. I am capable. I am constantly improving. Success is within my control. Second, master the power of self-talk. Your inner voice influences your actions more than you realize. Speak to yourself like a winner. Instead of saying, "I'll never be able to do this," say, "I'll figure it out." Shift from self-doubt to self-belief. Next, embrace the growth mindset. People with fixed mindsets believe that talent is set in stone, but those with a growth mindset understand that abilities are developed through effort and learning. Failure isn't an endpoint, it's feedback. Every mistake is a lesson pushing you closer to mastery. Then, surround yourself with the right influences. If you spend time around negative, unmotivated people, their energy will affect you. But if you surround yourself with people who push limits, who strive for greatness, you'll absorb that mindset. Success leaves clues. Learn from those who have already achieved it. Finally, take consistent action. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to move forward, even if it's 1% better each day. Rewiring your brain isn't about overnight transformation. It's about repetition, belief, and persistence. Your mindset is your most powerful tool. The thoughts you choose will shape your future. So, what will you choose? If this video resonated with you, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and comment below. What's one mindset shift you're making today? Let's grow together.